Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so insyaAllah for today, uh, we will continue on our discussion still in circle but in 4.1C. Okay, previously, we already discussed how to obtain a standard equation or general equation of a circle, and then you have to know how to convert or transform from a standard equation to general equation, or from general equation to a standard equation. Next, you also need to know how to identify. Okay, how to identify uh, center and radius. Okay, when you are being given a standard equation or a general equation of a circle. Okay, that one for part A. Next, for part B, you have to know how to obtain either a general equation or standard equation of circle by a certain condition. For example, when you are given three points lies on a circle or 2 points lie on circle and so on. Okay, the next one, you have to know. Okay, you have to know how to find point of intersection of two circles or between two circles or a circle and a line. Okay, at first, you have to know there are certain methods to find this point of intersection, but I am focusing now only one method. One method. Okay, the main idea for point of intersection either between two circles or between a circle and a line is substitute. So the idea is you need to substitute the idea. Okay, first you have to know what is a discriminant. Discriminant you already learned previously that discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So the main idea is discriminant. Okay, let's say if you test your discriminant is greater than 0, you get the value greater than 0. That means that these two circles intersect to each other. These two circles intersect to each other at 2 points. This one and this one. Why? On a circle and a line, okay, this line will intersect a circle at 2 points. Okay? Okay, next. When you obtain b square minus 4ac discriminant equal to 0, that means these two circles intersect at only 1 point. Same goes to this line. Okay? Or we can call it as a tangent because this line intersect at this circle at a point. Okay, lastly, b square minus 4ac less than 0. That means these two circles do not intersect each other. Or this circle and a line also do not intersect each other. Okay, this is a simple example. Okay, let's say if you have these two circles equation. Okay, first you need to make sure that this equation of circle must be in a general equation. Okay, general equation. So this is your first equation and this is your second equation. Okay, at first you need to deduct or minus between equation number 1 and equation number 2, either 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2. It's up to you. So for example, I'm using equation number 1. The easiest one is equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Okay? So you have x square minus x square 0, y square minus y square also 0. Okay, x minus 3x, so it will be plus 4x. Okay, next, negative 3y minus 13y. So it will be what? Plus 16y. Lastly, 0 minus 8. Okay, 0 minus 8. So it will be what? Plus 48, right? So plus 48, which is equal to 0. Okay, so from this one, you will have something like this. It's like a linear equation. Okay, and then when I'm trying to simplify, it will be negative divided by almost divided by 4, it will be negative x. Negative x. X plus 4, sorry, minus, plus or minus here? I think x square minus x square, y square minus y square, x minus minus should be x minus minus plus negative 3y minus, or this one will be minus. Okay, that's why minus, and this one is minus 48 will be plus. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this one will be minus 4y and then plus 12, which is equal to 0. Okay, so maybe this one you can express x as a subject, so it will be x equal to 4y minus 12. So this is your third equation. Okay, and then you substitute this third equation into equation number 1 or equation number 2. It's up to you. So let's say I substitute equation number 3 into 2. So it will be x square. So x square will be 4y minus 12. Sorry, 4y minus 12 square. And then plus y square plus x is a 4y minus 12 minus 3y equal to 0. Okay, and then you expand this one, you will have 17y square minus 95y plus 122 equal to 0. Okay, so this is your quadratic equation. Okay, let's say when you substitute into your discriminant b square minus 4ac here, you will have is a greater than 0. So when you have this one greater than 0, that means, okay, these two circles intersect to each other at 2 points. Okay? Okay, because this discriminant is greater than 0. Okay, so here, you will continue. Okay, by using your own calculator, you will have y equal to 44 over 17. And another one is y equal to 3. Okay, since you have your third equation here, x equal to 4y minus 12. So you substitute here, you will have what? So x equal to 44 over 17. Okay, and then minus 12. So here you have negative 28 over 17. Okay, and last one, when you substitute y equal to 3, you will have this one x equal to 0. Okay, simple. So next, okay, you will state that your point of intersection is a negative 28 over 17. And then the next one is negative, the next one is y equal to what? Y equal to 44 over 70, 44 over 70. And another one is when x equal to 0, y equal to 3. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is your point of intersection. Okay, next you can try. Okay, this next example here. Okay, this example. Okay, using your Google form. And then you will know either these two circles intersect to each other, or intersect at 1 point, 2 point, or do not intersect to each other. Okay, simple. Okay, you can try this one. Okay, next. Okay, next, this example I give. Okay, between a circle and a line. Okay, simple. Okay, this is equation of a circle. And this one is the equation of line. Okay, it's very simple actually. Okay, because, okay, let's say this is your first equation, and this is your second equation. Okay, and at first we need to express any, either y as a subject or x as a subject. So this one is much easier when you express y as a subject. So it will be y equal to 5 minus 2x. Okay, let's say this is your third equation. And then you will substitute equation number 3 into 1. Okay, so it will be y equal to, so x square plus y equal to 5 minus 2x bracket square equal to 24. Simple, right? Okay, next. Okay, from this one, after you expand this, you will have, it will be 5x squared minus 20x plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, next, we want to check either this discriminant is greater, equal, or less than 0. Okay, because we want to draw a conclusion either this circle and line intersect each other at 2 points or at 1 point or do not intersect each other. So how? We will substitute into this discriminant. And then here you will have what? Greater than 0. Okay? Okay. Because we don't have enough time. So I already calculate that this is minus 480. So what is your B? Your B is a negative 20. Your A is a 5 and your C is a 50. Simple, right? I think most of you already know. Bukan most. Not most. Should be all of you already know. Okay, next. We find value of x here by using a calculator. So you have x equal to 1 and another one is x equal to 3. And then after you substitute here, you will have what? Okay, into this y. Okay, this y. The equation. Okay, you will have what? Y will be equal to y equal to negative 1 and another one is y equal to 3. Okay, so lastly, your point of intersection between a line and a circle is 1, negative 1 and another one is a 3, 3. Simple. Okay, you may also try this example. Okay. Okay, by using a similar method like I did just now. Okay, so this is last example. Okay, because we already discussed a point of intersection between two circles and then between a circle and a line here. Okay, lastly here, for our last example here, okay, this is the equation of circle. Circle. Okay, in the general equation. Okay, now we want to test either 0, 3, okay, lies on a circle or lies outside a circle or lies inside a circle. So how? You only need to substitute into this one. For example, when we substitute 0, 3, okay, substitute into this one, this general equation of circle, it will be 0 square plus 3 square plus 0 minus 3, 3. So here you will have equal to 0. So when it is equal to 0, that means this satisfies equation. So you can make a conclusion that lies this point ataupun 0, 3. Okay, specifically it is 0, 3. 0, 3 lies on a circle. Okay, so let's say if you try 1, 5. So 1, 5. Okay, we will substitute 1, 5 into this equation. So it will be 1 square plus 5 square plus 1 minus 3, 5. So what will you get here? So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 25 here. So you will 27 minus 15. So you will have something which is a greater than 0. So when it is greater than 0, so that means this lies outside of the circle. Okay, let's say if you get less than 0. So less than 0 means inside a circle. I think that one very simple. So you can proceed to exercise that we attach on our Google form. Okay, through Google Classroom. Okay, thank you. Bye.